Bele-bele hambai sini YTF
Today we have come to Manu block for block deputation. We have 3-4 charter. The first is BC election. State government is not conducting BC election. They are treating ADC like a step model treatment. So regarding this, we have submitted a memorandum today. And the second agenda is TTADC, DHD, the fund which we have demanded. The demanded fund should be allocated within time frame. The fund should be allocated smoothly to ADC government for development of TTADC areas. And the third is Kaibwri. The Kaibwri Roman script, inclusion of Kaibwri, the Roman script, it is a demand for more than 50 years. So they have not accepted that. BJP are saying they are doing for TIPRA. If they are doing for TIPRA, then why not Roman script? Kaibwri should be included in the Roman script. And the other point is, if BJP or any other leader who are saying so-called TIPRA leader, they are really incompetent. Why I will say they are incompetent? Because if they are so much in favor of TIPRA or talking for TIPRA, then they should have come out of their closet and they should have talked about TIPRA, about the Roman script, about TTADC election, but they are doing nothing. That's why I would like to tell them, I would like to give them a message. The air you are breathing today will be a poison for your future generation. So speak for your rights, speak for your TIPRA, be a TIPRA. Thank you.